The 494 Regional Visa allows businesses in Perth, the Gold Coast and regional and remote Australia to sponsor employees for up to 5 years with a direct pathway to permanent residence. It offers a really good alternative to the commonly used 482 visa. However, the application process for the 494 visa does require more substantial levels of evidence. Two things to be aware of is that the 494 regional visa process will require a mandatory skill assessment for all visa applicants and approval from a state or territory regional certifying body. Regional certifying bodies, or RCBs, are state and territory government agencies, local councils and regional development authorities, and they are appointed by the Commonwealth to assess a sponsoring business and the position according to their local knowledge. To be approved by an RCB, a business needs to provide a detailed business case and evidence of how the company has determined the visa applicant's salary to make sure that it meets the Australian standard in that occupation. This is often referred to as the market salary rate. The second thing to be aware of are skill assessments. Skill assessments are a formal assessment of a visa applicant's qualifications by an Australian assessing authority. It requires the visa applicant to submit evidence of their qualifications and their work history to the authority to verify that they are qualified to the Australian standard in their occupation. Skill assessments can take up to 3 months to process once lodged and may take many weeks to prepare before that. So it's very important to factor this in to the 494 visa process. Each occupation or occupation group has a different assessing authority. For example, most trade occupations are assessed by Trades Recognition Australia, engineers by Engineers Australia, and many other professions by an organisation called VetAssess. A skill assessment is not the same thing as obtaining licensing or registration in your occupation. It is a thorough process whereby past work experience is assessed by documents such as detailed references, employment contracts, pay slips, and even tax documents or bank account details. In addition, the authority will consider the duration, the content, and the issuing institution of the individual's qualification. Each authority has its own procedures, timeframes, and charges to be aware of. Without a positive skill assessment, it is not possible to obtain the 494 visa. So we recommend, and especially due to the significant cost, that employers consider whether an applicant is eligible to obtain a positive assessment prior to commencing the 494 nomination or visa process. So as you can see, the 494 visa process requires a lot of evidence, and without the right knowledge, the process can appear complex and can become quite time-consuming. However, for some businesses, the benefits will definitely outweigh the time and preparation involved. Arranging skill assessments and preparing for regional certifying body advice well in advance, as well as getting advice about the requirements, will definitely help. If you have any questions about the 494 visa application process, please do get in touch. We would be happy to help you in understanding the requirements of the visa sponsorship.